You'll see how to quickly remove and replace the climate temperature, hot and cold, AC, control unit, or HVAC by the dash bezel area on a Dodge Charger, Magnum, or Chrysler 300. The climate control piece will either have 4 knobs or 3. Regardless, the process is the same for whichever unit you have. First, pry around the side of the bezel with a flat tip screwdriver or pry bar. Flip it around, and on the back side there are 2 wired clip connectors that give power to the temperature unit. The other unit has 3 connectors. Regardless of the unit, press down on each tab and pull it out. Super easy. So, I took out all the clips that connect to this unit, including the clock, cigarette lighter, heated seats, and radio. However, you only need to take out the 2 clips that connect to the control unit as shown. If you would like to see other repairs or teardowns of this entire dash bezel unit, I'll put all those cool videos in the description below. Anyway, this unit has 2 screws that need to be removed, which the other unit does not have. Remove these with a Torx T8 screw bit. Then, there are 4 screws that hold this control unit in place by each corner. Those need to be removed with a 4mm socket, extension, and a 1/4 inch ratchet wrench. If this video has helped so far, please like and subscribe. Anyway, here it is with the part number. I'll put the part numbers and tools used in the description below for easy reference. Putting this unit back in is the complete reverse and is super easy to do. This climate controlled HVAC unit or blower motor replacement project will take about 15 minutes to complete. So, mention in the comments if this helped or if you have any questions. Take a look at the other videos on this channel, and if this video was straight and to the point, then please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.